Good afternoon, geometry guys. We're going to review today before our test tomorrow. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the bell. And now all that junk that is written on the board for no reason. Alright, so rectangle of this, so we'd have to divide 112 by 14, and what do we get? Looks like nobody did that one. You got 8? Good. 8 centimeters. Alright, a parallelogram has the base of 13, height of 13, then the area would be 169 inches squared. Alright, a kite has the diagonals of this and this, so that's 0.5, not 2. 0.5 times 11 times 8. Well, let's see. 8 times 11 is 88. Half of that is 44. Not as funny as 45. All right. A rhombus has the area of 225. So 225 has a diagonal of this. So this would be 0.5, 25. Find the other one. Wheel. 25 times 0.5. Syntax error. Really? Deleted the wrong thing. Alright, so this would be 225 equals 12.5x. Divide. Alright, so 225 divided by a second. Answer. Alright, should get 18 inches. And that's about how close that car came to hit me today. That is a foot and a half. Kind of, you know, I'm larger than your average cone. I mean, I'm actually larger than those, big reflective barrels out there, but, people somehow still can't see that. Apparently they wanted me as a hood ornament. Alright. Alright. What measurement is missing?
Height.
Okay. Height. Or what could you write? H. Okay. Now, this should be a good indication about which method you're going to use. Alright, because this is root 2, what method are we going to use to find the missing length? Kenshin, what do you use for this one? So close. This is 45, 90. And we know that because it says root 2. Alright, so we would actually have to divide that by root 2. So that's 7. That's 7. Measure me 7 inches. So area 0.5. 7, 10 plus 30. That would be 40. All right, so this would be 140 inches squared. Okay. Number 7. Okay, if you're given the shape and you miss the number of sides, you deserve every bit of sarcasm and ridicule that comes your way. Yes. There are 6 of them. All right, to find our central angle, that we would take 360 and divide that. Our central angle is what we're talking about right here. Okay, this would be 60 degrees. All right, that is 60 degrees. Now, because we need to find our apothem, okay, now this was 60, it's half of this, this is 30, so we use a 45, 45, 90 triangle, right? All right, so this is a 30, 60, 90. All right, that means, see, this is our hypotenuse, this would be 8. Our apothem would be 8 root 3. Our side length, let's see, is 8 plus 8, which would be 16. That means our perimeter is 6 times 16, or 96. Okay. Now, as stated before in class multiple times, it's even recorded. I have receipts for that. You take the numbers 8 and 16 and 0.5 and you multiply them, and then you put them right here and you put root 3 behind it. Well, more than watching people play video games, all right, so this would be 64 root 3. All right, I'll give you a hint. If it's like a hexagon or a triangle, it's probably going to be a 30, 60, 90. If it's a rectangle, probably going to be 45, 45, 90. All right. All right, so now we're on to our last one. Hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. That's the same thing. So this is 300. All right. That means the same thing that we had earlier, that our radius is 10. This is 5. This is 5 root 3. So this is 30, 60, 90. Okay. So our side length is going to be 10 because it's 2 of this one. Our perimeter is going to be 60. 60 times 10. Right? Yep. So 0.5, 60, 10. All right, so this is 300 root 3. That's it. Now, something I would definitely put on my orange sheet is if I had an apothem that had a root 3 or a root 2, mainly a root 3, I would just do all the numbers like I did here and then put the root 3 right there. A lot of people are going to ask tomorrow, well, we've never seen this. Well, you may have never seen it, but we've covered it multiple times. All right. And that's it. They're going to be busy working on their orange sheet. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe to the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.